How to fix ING Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your ING Bank app not working. So to do that, first of all, check your internet connection, as ING Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection or a data connection on your phone device. Now the second thing you can try is basically check if the ING servers are up and running or not. So if the servers are not running, no matter what you do, your app will not work. So make sure the servers are working, up and running. Now the third thing you can do is basically try to reopen the app. To do that, simply close the app and relaunch it. The fifth thing you can do is basically update the app to the latest version, as if the app is not up to date, some of the features will not work, causing your entire app to crash. So simply make sure your app is updated to the latest version. After that, if you're on an Android device, you can basically try to clear the cache and the data of your app and simply re-logging into your account. The next step you can do is basically restart your phone or reboot your phone. Doing this in most of the cases will solve your problem. But if it still doesn't solve the problem, you can basically try to contact the ING support and they will help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.